Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping utensils that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Life 2 Go Camp Cooking Utensil Set. Packed in a sleek, portable bag made of woven cotton, the Life 2 Go Utensil Set has everything you could need on an outdoor adventure, including a knife, fork, spoon, and other cooking utensils. This small business brand delivers a lightweight and durable set with plenty of must-haves. It includes a spatula, serving fork and spoon, 2 knives, a silicone spatula, scissors with a bottle opener, tongs, and a cutting board. Plus, the bag has some additional space to add in your own essentials. Reviewers do mention that the turning spatula could be bigger, although it's fine for flipping burgers or small pancakes. However, the cutting board just doesn't cut it in terms of size. On the flip side, the knives and scissors are good when it comes to quality. The paring knife with the included peeler should be used carefully to avoid accidental injury. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bomki Grilling and Camping Cooking Utensils Set. The Bomki Camping Utensil Set comes with a ton of great tools for your campsite. The carrying case is on the large side, measuring 14.5 by 9 by 2.5 inches. The set includes tongs, a spatula, a fork, a serving spoon, a bottle opener, cutting board, heat-resistant glove, microfiber towel, and salt and pepper shakers. Stainless steel and BPA free. The included items are well organized and the bag has extra room for adding other items. The long strap makes this set easy to carry, and the tong stands make it easy to keep your workspace tidy. This set comes with a 2-year limited warranty on all items, along with the small business's customer support. At number 3, we have the Rockkii Camping Silverware Set. The Rockkii Camping Cutlery Set comes packed neatly in a nice case and is easy to travel with. The dishwasher-safe silverware includes 4 knives, 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 stainless steel plates, and 4 reusable napkins. It also includes a cutting board, cheese knife, and wine key. The total weight of this eating utensil set is just 3.23 pounds, and we like that the plates are larger than those in most other sets. Reviews say it's easy to clean and that there's room to add other items if you want, which is a nice feature. With a quality case and nice utensils, this set is the cutest one we came across in our shopping, and it comes at a decent price. At number 2, we have the TOAKS Titanium 3-piece Cutlery Set. This basic 3-piece set of titanium silverware is, according to reviewers, sturdy, lightweight, and great for everyday use, not just camping. These pieces are corrosion resistant and last through high temperatures, meaning you can use them when the food is steaming hot or the wind is howling. The fork, knife, and spoon have a polished, smooth head, matte finish, and comfortable grip. All of that is difficult enough to find, but additionally, I found polished titanium flatware isn't common either. I tried the non-polished texture most camping titanium utensils have, and it is very unpleasant. Doesn't seem that rough to the fingertips, but eating from them is like licking peach fuzz or cat tongues. These utensils are wonderfully light, but strong. Also, this thinner, rounded handle shape is very comfortable versus the usual square edge shape that widens toward the top. And finally, at number 1, we have the MSR Titan Ultralight Titanium Backpacking Fork and Spoon Set. For a simple, easily packable, and ultralight set of silverware for eating your oatmeal or stirring your morning coffee, this MSR Titan set is perfect. Made of durable aluminum, this fork, 6.6 inches long and 1.5 inches wide, and spoon, 6.7 inches long and 1.5 inches wide, combo is made to last a long time. Both pieces are screw-locked with a cable, so they'll always stay together in your pack. These titanium utensils deliver ultralight utility and unquestionable durability. They come on a screw-locked cable, so they're as easy to keep track of as they are to carry. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.